I am installing a Minka Aire spacesaver. My current wall switch has two black wires, one bringing power in, and another sending power to a second light fixture. The white wires are connected to each other separate of the switch. I am trying to figure out how to connect my model F510 Minka switch. It is black with white stripe, blue, green with yellow stripe wires.
Hello and thank you for your question. My name is I'm here to help you. Are you replacing existing light fixture with fan, or you are running new wire and installing new box?
Replacing existing light fixture with a fan that also has a light.
Did you already install the fan and light?
I have connected all the wires for the fan and light, but am now working to install the wall control.
Well, in the ceiling box you should have had one black and one white wires. How did you connect wires from fan to which wires in the box?
I connected the white to the white, the blue and black from the fan to the black from the house, and the ground to the ground.
I'm sorry to deliver bad news, but you cannot use the switch that came with fan. If I'm not wrong, it has light dimmer and fan speed control in it. Unfortunately, that switch only works if there are 3 wires going from switch box to the ceiling box. White, neutral, black fan power and red light power. You can only use regular switch or run new wire from switch to the ceiling box. The problem with regular switch is that, as I remember, Minka fans do not have pull chain switches, so you will not be able to control fan and light separately. There are 2 more options you might consider. 1. Purchase the remote control set with receiver and remote and install it. 2. Return that fan and purchase Minka fan that comes with the remote control. Let me know if you have more questions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.